Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change the text color in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, Pia Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and so on. And here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to open a new project. Here you can open from your computer. You can click on templates and here you're going to find install Photopea. So right now, go ahead and click on new project. Once you click on new project, then you're going to be right here. So firstly, you need to choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, and also the PI. And lastly, the background color. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to choose any size that you want for your image. For example, I'm going to select this size and I'm going to click on create. So once you create your project, you're going to be right here. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you would need in order to customize your image. So right now, I'm going to go to the type tool, click on it, and then click anywhere right here. Then you can type anything that you want. For example, I'm going to type tutorial. So right now I'm going to choose or change the size of the text. And then if you want to change the color of the text, just go right here and then click on this icon. And then you can choose any color for your text. Once you do that, go ahead and click on OK. And then the changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.